This is Big Boss Nasty, and I'm here with another one. Adidas FU. Yep, that's right. This is the FU Adidas jersey in Russian fonts. Now, the official name of this jersey is called Bird's Eye Raglan jersey. So I guess raglan is the style of the shirt, I guess. This is what they're not really like talking about. But you see here, you see this like the way it's stitched, and it's stitched from the collar and then it comes down. Yeah, it's I think that's where where that style comes from or whatever. Let me see the stitching. See it? Then it runs down right here. Boop. But that isn't like the side of the shirt. It's like more or less towards the front, I guess. But the size of it fits like a normal shirt, slightly cropped, I would assume. Build quality, can't complain. Tags, size 2. Made in the US, I think, I'm assuming. Yep, made in the US. And it's just a really nice jersey. That was the size tag that I showed you on the inside. This right here. Size 2. And what else? What else do we have here? Yeah, well, that's the jersey. I don't know. It's really thin, really soft. Perfect for the summer. For breathability. The black is a solid black. Has a little, little sheen to it, little shine, little sparkle to it, as you can see on the camera. And yeah, really nice, really thin. Can't wait to wear it. This is Big Boss Nasty. Like, subscribe, and if not, F you. You already know. Big Boss Nasty. I'm out of here.